Yeah, would you look at this place? It's crazy. Yeah, I'm not sure what this would have been. Let's have a look at this though. Alright. Yeah, it looks like the rocks would come out of that thing and this would close it so they don't come out. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Yeah, look at that. They actually stacked all those. Can you imagine having to do that?
Hey David, is it okay you step up here?
Yeah. Why not?
This shit's cracking.
Alright. Yeah, look at that. It's breaking.
Like right here, do not set if I were you. Let's get a snowball in front of it.
Alright guys, that looks like something. When they're stacked like that, usually it's like a old foundation or something. Yep. Would you look at that? Something was once standing at this spot, otherwise it was a mine. Because they also do this for the abandoned mines if you guys watched my other videos. Alright, this looks like it's just a trail. Yeah, would you look at that? Not much, but it was the foundation for something. As you can see guys, we got that, and let's see if there's anything up in this, because it's flattened out, so they must have been doing something. Yeah, look at that. They drilled right between these rocks or something. So this most likely leads to mines. It's my best guess. Now look. Look at that. Crazy looking. Don't know what this was. Yeah, this looks like it. So let's go back and look at everything else. Alright, let's take a look at inside of this. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy.